Hi you all, welcome to Trinika Creates. Today I'm going to give you an update on my kitchen flooding. If you were not aware, the last video I did with me cleaning my stove, I showed that my kitchen actually flooded a few days later, and it's now I'm in the process of getting my kitchen renovated from that damage. So I'll show you all just the demolition part for today, and I'll keep posting videos on what that progress looks like. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it.
It's between the layers. That's why you have to pull the layers.
It's too bad
It's
you
a
can't
comic
read that.
on the back.
Yeah, I think there's probably some salvageable in there. If you
There's
really
a-
dug at it.
It's a comic. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
It's there.
Okay, so this is what my kitchen looks like today with the floors pulled up and those damaged cabinets pulled out. The contractor will be coming in and completing the demo. They'll be removing the cabinets on the wall as well as that last base cabinet, as well as pulling up the rest of the flooring that connects into my laundry room. I'll be getting new flooring in that room as well as paint done in that room as well to match the kitchen. I've already ordered and received my new appliances. I'll be getting a new stove, refrigerator, and I'll be replacing the hood vent over the stove with a microwave. So this is what it looks like today. Very rough. It's very hard to live without a kitchen, especially with the coronavirus. We have to eat out for every meal. It's not ideal, but it will pay off in the end when I can get my kitchen back in order. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.